Hey Frameworks friends! Remember the sculpture the creative team made? Well, it's finally finished. Over the past couple months, small modifications and perfections were applied to the sculpture to officially call it done. Faux grass was carefully placed between each space for a little extra detail. With the perfect stain shade and the right amount of dimension flow, it sits perfectly on the wall. Sculptures like these are 100% designed and constructed in-house by the Frameworks team. The wood is first cut into designated shapes and sizes with the CNC machine. Then, the wood is polished and stained, and the wood pieces are all constructed and formed together to create this wavy shape. This is currently sitting in an office at our very own Frameworks building for anyone to view. Wall sculptures are a great way to add an art piece to your space without overcrowding or taking up too much space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.